Hello everyone, welcome back to Financeable. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can open a Capitec Bank in online or through online. So in order to open a Capitec Bank online, first off head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in capitecbank.signup and hit the enter. And from the appear links or shown results, click on the first link. And here you can see you are officially in the website of Capitec Bank. And here you can open your personal accounts, business accounts, and also you can see all the information about the bank. So in order to open an account, scroll down and you will be seeing open an account. Click on it. Here I'm opening a business account. So in order to open a business account, you can also select a business type, whether it is registered business or sole proprietor. So to sign up, first off add your name. Make sure to add your first and last both name. Add your SAID, business name, business registration number, phone number, email, product interest, and fill up all the details that are asked in the form. Once you are done, hit the submit button and you will be successfully able to open a Capitec Bank online. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.